Ledgerline now forecasts 90 days of cash flow before the crunch hits. That feature doesn't exist. No code, no backend, just a video. Every roadmap asks, will customers actually use this? Until now, you built it to find out. Sizzle films the feature first. One page of spec becomes a facade in your codebase and a demo that looks exactly like your product. Share it with your own users. In-app, email, private. 10 days later, not views, signups, and who'd pay. One feature earns its build, the other saves you 40 grand. Winners become a real pull request in your real repo. A quarter of guessing becomes an afternoon of knowing. And remember the first few seconds? When you believed, we just did it again. This video is a sizzle. The product is the feature. Want it? That's the wait list. Sizzle! Test the feature before you build it.